Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Ever since we became plant-based, we've been looking for vegan replacements for cream cheese because we sure love our bagel and cream cheese in the morning. Over time, I have actually perfected the perfect vegan cream cheese recipe, so I'm here to tell you all about it. So let's get started. Make sure that you soak about 1 cup of raw unsalted cashews overnight or for at least 2 hours. This is so the nutrients can be easily absorbed into your body. Rinse and drain the cashews and add them to any high-speed blender. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, my favorite. And feel free to add more if you like the extra cheesy flavor, and I sometimes do. Add 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder or more to taste. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Just so you know, the measurements do not need to be exact, you just add them to taste. Next, I'll add about 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. And I'll finish with about 1/4 cup of water. You can add more for a creamier consistency or less for a thicker consistency. Turn on your power blender and pulse for about 30 seconds. I'm using the amazing Kuvings Power Blender, which I highly recommend. We've reviewed this in the past and our link is below. Take a spatula and check it for consistency. Add more water if you want it more creamy. Also taste your cheese and add more condiments as needed. Ours turns out perfectly the first time around, so there's no need to run it through our power blender again. And there you have it, cashew cream cheese in minutes. It's perfect in bagels, crackers, or any recipe that requires cheese. I love my vegan bagels with cashew cheese and avocado. Yum! If you like this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to rate and subscribe for more healthy plant-based recipes. Till next time!